Welcome to your latest FuriHal firmware update overview. Today we're exploring the new features and enhancements in firmware version 0.95.0. Hi, I'm Sandy from LAB401.com. Let's dive in. First up, we have the SubGhz Mastercode protocols, making your FuriHal more versatile. The infrared system received various bug fixes, support for larger remotes, and a new RPC API, enhancing control and integration options. The iButton and NFC features also got a makeover, with various bug fixes, improvements, and a cleaned up API. For storage, there's better handling for copy, move, and rename operations, plus big chunk read support and faster firmware update uploads for command and line tools. Oh, and system-wise, you can expect better startup error handling. The Flipper team is actively working on new NFC protocols, bad USB, bad UART, and scripting language enhancements, plus documentation updates. Before I leave you, I wanted to give a quick shout out to the new contributors. Your efforts are greatly appreciated. And that's a wrap on the 0.95.0 update. Remember, keeping your FuriHal updated means you are always equipped with the latest and greatest features. For more details on each update and feature releases, visit the FuriHal GitHub, link in the description below, and of course, get your FuriHal and accessories with the best price and the best service at LAB401.com. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Sandy from LAB401.com, signing off.